Let me show you this EUCOS selfie stick / tripod. It's pretty solid and I like it. I love orange, so the orange color definitely helps. Here I have the swivel for your phone. You can go through and move it any direction you want. It does a lot there. Also does come with a GoPro quick release attachment, so you could use that instead of the selfie. Or if you have a DSLR camera, which I'm filming on, you could actually go through and screw that in as well. That should work too. Overall, I really like the attachments. Unfortunately, it didn't come with a remote. There was a spot in the box for it, but it wasn't there, which I was kind of surprised about. So know that it's not going to come with a remote, most likely. Overall, though, it does a lot of cool things. It does automatically push out here and extend. This is nice that you don't have to go through and hit all those flips and switches to go through and make something larger. It does go very far, just to give you an idea. Hopefully I don't knock anything over, but it is 62 inches, which is nice. They even have a spot for the remote here, which is kind of awkward. It does close and open. It does take a little bit of power to go through and do that. But overall, I like this better than going through and adjusting everything and moving everything around. Now you're still going to have to go through and do that on the other areas when you have to unlock and lock. And you also do need to adjust the orange ring to go through and loosen the tripod and open it back up. Overall, it's definitely solid and I would definitely recommend this. I would purchase this again. It's nice and it gets small really easy and it's really tough. So I like that.